Good morning. Let's see today what schedule I gave myself to make this 3D cake for my daughter Lucia's birthday. I work all day, so I have little time for cakes, and when I have to make complex cakes, I have to make a schedule to get to the goal on time. The party was on Tuesday at lunchtime. On Sunday I prepared the bases. In this case I made a simple molly cake. I'll leave you the doses and ingredients. As soon as possible I will publish a tutorial for this sponge cake that is perfect for cakes covered with sugar paste. I also prepared the basic preparations, such as the mango compote with which I filled the inside. If you remember, in the past I did a Pyupio test to check the cake's resistance to heat and to check how to make the decorations. Once the cake bases were cooked, I wrapped everything in plastic film and left the sponge cakes at room temperature. On Monday evening I planned to cover the cakes with ganache and then with sugar paste. I also decorated the smaller cake, on which I put the candles, Pyupio, and covered it with the white fondant moulin. On Tuesday morning I finished the details and prepared the flour meadow on which I would place the cakes. I already had the meringue flours, so it was very quick. Just before serving, I finished moulin with the little hands and ears of puffed rice covered in sugar paste, because the cake would not have fit in the fridge complete with ears. Here it is. My daughter was very happy. In the end the cake sank a bit, but being a plush toy it gave the whole thing a soft look that I don't mind. Thanks for your likes. Let me know if you like this video. If you know anybody that you believe will enjoy it, please share this video. If you are interested in more content of this type, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again and stay tuned for my next videos. Bye.